Hey guys, welcome to the Excel world, a place where you learn everything about Microsoft Excel easily and conveniently. So today we are going to learn about XLookup, and for that we have a small worksheet, Excel sheet where I have assistance of some staff written. We want to pull out name of the employee and the business volume that they have done in financial year 1920. We have a master sheet where we have some data like employee code, employee name, the SSN, level, manager, product category, city, country, business volume in financial 1819 and 1920. Primarily, these are column K and column D is our important data, key data, and column C is also important data. Alright, so what you can do, let's try to use VLookup first. Let's see if we can pull the same data from VLookup. I'll say VLookup, I'll say SSN, I'll go back and I'll start taking from SSN. But in VLookup we need to go to the right side, whereas our employee name is written on the left side. So we cannot use VLookup. Now what we can do, we'll use XLookup. That is a new feature implemented in Microsoft Excel. So I'll say XLookup. It is quite same as VLookup. I'll show you what are the differences. I'll go to the main sheet, and instead of selecting the range here, I'll just select the column. I'll say comma, and now I'll select the column where my lookup values are. So that is in column C. I'll say column C, comma, and I would like to take my exact answer. So I'll say 0 and I'll hit enter. You see the answer comes in. Just copy paste all the data in all the cells and you have the answer, right? So if the data that you're looking up is to the left of your unique values, you should use XLookup. Though you could have just for a while you could cut paste the data and put it on the right hand side, but when XLookup is there, why to cut paste data and change your columns? All right, let's do the second. Let's now you can see we need to find out the business volume in 1920, and this time business volume is towards right hand side of SSN, so we can easily use VLookup. Let's try to use VLookup, comma, let's go to the main sheet, let's select from SSN until business volume, and that is our column 8. So I'll say 8 and 0, hit enter, you get the values, right? You got the value. But what sometimes if you are in the master sheet and you delete one column of the range, let's go back and you see you don't have the value any longer. Why? Because you put in here 8 is the column number, and right now the column number 8 is K and there is no value, so it is not giving any value. Okay, let me undo it, and if I solve the same problem using XLookup, let's do this using XLookup. I'll select the column, I'll go to get to the column where my values are, I'll comma, put 0, I get the values. Let me just put it into comma format, right? Okay, so now if I remove column J and go back to my secondary sheet, you can see when I took the values using VLookup, I get error, whereas when I have taken values from XLookup, I have the values intact. So XLookup is a better and more powerful tool than VLookup. So when you have XLookup, stop using VLookup. Hope you like the video. Please like and subscribe. And if you want me to make any video on any other function, please comment and I'll make a video for you.